Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everybody from all over the world. This is AR from AR Tech Official, and today I have several wireless speakers for repairing. And this video is in particular for those who want to learn the tips and techniques of repairing wireless speakers by themselves. My dear viewers, as you can see today here, I have one mini wireless speaker, which is wireless speaker 887, and I'm going to open it and see what's the problem of this wireless speaker. Okay, friends, I'm going to switch this wireless speaker on. No power at all. Okay, let me connect the cable to charging port. The charging light is bulbing. Okay, my friends, as you saw, as per my experience and as I have faced this situation so many times, it looks to me that this mini speaker has a battery problem. So I'm going to open this mini wireless speaker. My friends, mostly I have seen my friends and so many people when they are going to open this mini wireless speaker, this beautiful wireless speaker, they are going to tear this foam or like this glue. This is in a time that we should not tear it, because if we tear it, it will lessen the beauty of this mini wireless speaker. It may reduce the beauty of this wireless speaker. So what we are doing is, my dear viewers, if you have this kind of mini wireless speaker and you are facing problems, and in particular those my brothers, my friends who are working as mechanics or electronic engineers, I think it's a good idea to open this very carefully, because if we tear it, it may reduce the beauty of this wireless speaker. So when we want to open this, I'm going to show you a very good technique. Just try to find a small pin. See, my viewers, it's a small pin. And as far as this mini speaker 887 is concerned, there are 3 screws here. I'm going to show you the exact places of these screws, and you can look there. One screw is in this side above USB. Just come here and see whether we can find the screw here or not. Viewers, as you can see, here is one screw, USB. My dear friends, this is the easy way of opening mini wireless speaker 887, and it will not also reduce the beauty of this wireless speaker. If we tear it, I think it's not a good way. And the other screw is, my friends, come here to aux cable place. If you come here, you may see that here we have a screw. And my dear friends, the other screw is here above this strap. See, my viewers? Just hold it and see what we can find. My dear friends and dear viewers, this is for a speaker and this is for battery. Let me check. Oh my god.
The Bluetooth device is...
My dear viewers, as you can see, the problem was not for the battery of this wireless speaker, mini wireless speaker. The problem is these two small pins need to be soldered. That's why I want to solder it, and then we should try whether the problem is battery problem or these two pins. Okay, I'm going to switch on this heat gun and as well as soldering iron. Dear friends, as you can see here, these two pins which connects battery line with this PCB need to be soldered. Check it now.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yes, dear viewers, as you saw, the battery of this mini wireless speaker is okay. The only thing we need was to solder you watched, my dear friends, the problem was with these two small pins which were not connected to the PCB or circuit or board of this mini wireless speaker. That's why I use this as soldering iron and ironed it carefully. And now I'm going to check. My dear viewers, usually you should be very careful about this battery plus point and battery minus point. If my viewers, you put this red line, which is positive in negative port, you may definitely broke this PCB and this EC won't work. That's why here we have this one, and here we have the check now.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Now, as you saw, the problem was with these two pins. This mini speaker is working now. Usually, my dear viewers, it's better for you to check the sound of your mini wireless speaker while you are repairing it.
This is ready to pair. Music play mode. The radio mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Music play mode. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
My dear friends, now this wireless speaker is okay. I test the buttons and as well as the memory. Now I'm going to make it as it was. My dear viewers, as you watched, I checked all the buttons and as well as memory in the sound of this wireless speaker. Everything is okay. And now I'm going to make it back, make it the way it was. My dear friends, you should check these buttons. Sometimes these buttons may not work and you may face problems. You should fit this circuit or PCB in the right place. Don't forget, my dear viewers, to place this button in the right place.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. Music play mode.
My dear viewers, I think it's okay. Thank you so much for your time. My dear viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for further repairing of wireless speakers.